Today we want to focus on this swivel caster that we get for a local customer that needs an extremely ergonomic and easy rolling caster for the carts that they're building. The key takeaway on this caster, there's several actually. This is a 6" by 2" super elastomer round tread polyurethane wheel. It's got an oversized ball bearing in it, precision ball bearing that makes it extremely easy for rolling under heavy loads. Now this caster is going to give about 1,200 to 1,300 pound capacity per caster, and you can see it's got a double ball raceway kingpinless swivel race here that makes it extremely easy to swivel. And with this longer swivel lead, in other words, the wheel comes out past the center point of the caster, it still allows for a 7.5" overall height, but still gives the same operability with this large bearing raceway. You got a 4.5 by 6.25 top plate. And again, this is just an extremely easy rolling caster. It swivels easy under load, and it also rolls very easily under load. Now you can see the underneath side of the Swivel Race. There's no kingpin going through there. It means it's a kingpinless caster, and all of the bearings are in this swivel raceway right here, and it's basically a double ball race. Very durable, extremely durable, used for towing applications and inside of a plant. And this wheel is a very easy rolling wheel. So again, we can get you any kind of casters. These heavy duty ergonomic casters are about as good as you get on the market, and they are well worth the price when you have operators or operators towing these throughout a facility. They'll last for years and years. Just give us a call if we can help.